practice reading sentences. Start with I like. Children, read with me. I like watching the stars twinkle at night. I like eating ice cream on a hot summer day. I like playing hide and seek with my friends. It's so much fun. I like dancing to my favorite songs in my room. I like exploring the forest and looking for fairies. I like riding my bike with the wind in my hair. I like baking cookies with my mom. I like watching funny cartoons on TV. I like playing with my pet dog in the backyard. I like blowing bubbles and watching them float away. I like pretending to be a superhero with a cape. I like telling silly jokes that make everyone laugh. I like eating crunchy apples straight from the tree. I like playing soccer with my friends at the park. I like learning new magic tricks from my uncle. I like bedtime stories that take me on adventures. Great work!